For 1.1, who wants to visit a site, he first browses, and then the request first goes from 1.1, it comes to the proxy. The proxy will see the request. Okay, the source is 1.1.1 here, and okay, it wants to go to abcd.com. What it will do is it will forward the request on its behalf to abcd.com. Remember one thing, when abcd.com is receiving a request, it sees that the source is 4.4.4.4, which is the IP address of the proxy, and not 1.1.1. So what happens is when it receives a request from the proxy, it responds back to the proxy. It will not respond back to the client directly. It responds back to the proxy. So once the response comes back to the proxy, what the proxy will do is it will look at this table. So if you look at this table, okay, it will see, okay, well, ABCD is the destination from where the traffic is coming. Who wanted the traffic? Okay, 1.1.1. So what it will do is it will forward this request to 1.1.1. So 1.1.1 will be able to view abcd.com. Similarly, the same type of request happens for 2 and 3